What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Unifi protocol. As you guys may know, I've made a couple of videos on this crypto, and yes guys, once again it has started to pump up in value. And this wasn't even in the last 24 hours, but in the last 3-4 hours, as you can see, it went from about $6 all the way up to $7.50 right now. Has gone up 25% in the last 3 to 4 hours. So where is this crypto heading to? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell, or should you just hold on to it? So we're going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its next target level over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, and also over the next few months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see on the Coinbase website, Unifi protocol is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, and in the last hour itself it managed to gain just about 5% in value. Even though it's been quite volatile up and down, overall it is up, and over the last 24 hours 25%, over the week 52%. We've seen a couple of peaks earlier on last week as well, as you can see, peaked up here. It took a slight dip in value, peaked up again here on the 6th of July and again today. And over the month it is unfortunately down 10% because of the major drop that took place earlier on in June, just about a month ago, literally going from $10 all the way down to $4, dropping over 50% in value in a space of about, let's say, 4 or 5 days. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has gone up by a massive 97% in the last 24 hours, making the trading volume nearly $97 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that has been traded in the last 24 hours on Unifi protocol, meaning a lot more people are investing into it, buying it, selling it, as it's been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype recently, as it's been gaining a huge amount of value. So as you can see here, we've got a massive 74% buy against 26% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the daily chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before that, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as usual, it is performing very well. We've got the purple line here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing Unifi protocol at $5.58, but it is trading at massive $7.47, meaning it's way above the average value, and it's performing very, very well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, as usual, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So again, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting it to take a slight dip in value, but for now anyway, over the next 3-4 hours, I'm expecting it to keep pumping up in value, potentially hitting the $8 mark is what I'm expecting, or even higher than the $8 mark, and then slowly start to drop in value. As always guys, every time you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, it has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Unifi protocol. So I'm expecting it to take a little dip over the coming hours as well. But again, it's going to be volatile. We are going to see peaks, we are going to see dips, but the overall outcome over the next 12 to 14 hours seems to be more on the negative side. So I am expecting it to drop below the $7 mark by around midday to afternoon tomorrow, and potentially heading to about $6 to $6.50 tomorrow, this time in the next 24 hours basically. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very steep. However, the only reason for that is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. But as I mentioned about a couple of minutes ago, I am expecting it to take a little step back, a little breather, but I'm expecting it to overall increase in value, and we should be able to see it hit about $9 to $10 towards the end of next week. So overall, I'm expecting it to move in a positive direction, but do expect red days in between where it's down and days when it's up. But the overall outcome at this point, again, seems to be more on the positive side. So far, so good on Unifi protocol. Moving on to the daily chart. As you can see, we're not looking that steep anymore. We have slowed down a little bit, and it is just about slanting towards a positive direction, and that is a good factor. Why is it a good factor? Because it's not expected to keep pumping, keep going for a bull run over the next few weeks consistently. There is going to be a minimal increase in value. What that shows is, do expect small drops in value in between. We are going to see drops, we are going to see peaks, and at least it is realistic. So overall, we should be above the $10 mark by mid to late August, and potentially heading towards the $12 to $13 mark. However, it all depends on how Bitcoin and the whole crypto market performs in general. Obviously, if we do see, if we move from the bear market to the bull market, then yes, it's going to go way above the $12 mark. However, if we do see another crash, which we've seen a couple of times since 2020, the start of 2022, hopefully we don't, but if we do it, then yes, we are going to take big hits as well. But as usual, Bitcoin plays a major role in the crypto market. Most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. If it pumps up in value, we're going to see most cryptos pumping, and if it drops in value, we're going to see most cryptos dropping as well. So that is why I have put together a Telegram group chat for you guys, where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, on what to expect, where the crypto is heading to, bullish or bearish direction, what price target is likely to hit, so on and so on. And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month, using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and after that it will jump up to $29.99, and there is only a limited amount of space left. Over half the spaces have already gone, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what happens when you sign up? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll show you guys daily updates on Bitcoin. Obviously, this is an old screenshot from about late May when Bitcoin was trading at 29k, but yeah, you get the gist of what happens in the group chat. And I also show you guys daily predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, once again, the link is in the description box down below. So back to Unifi protocol. So we got rid of the MACD indicator and we got now the Fibonacci scale, which we are going to be using to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $11.44, which we are getting closer and closer day by day. As you can see, we're trading around $4 earlier on last week or the week before that, and right now we've nearly doubled in value and trading around $7.50. So hopefully I'm expecting us to hit the green zone, hopefully late August, mid to late August is when I'm expecting us to hit the green zone. Hopefully that happens. It could be way before or way after, depending on how the crypto market performs, but you guys have asked for regular updates on Unifi protocol, which I have been doing, and I will be doing at least about 3 to 4 times a week as you guys requested. But yeah, if you guys want it more often, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Unifi protocol, guys, and let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. How high or how low are you guys predicting this crypto to go? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do. And a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So if you subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.